On May 12, 2014, I had a cardiac arrest.
Rosie has a weakened heart muscle and has been treated with medications for this for years and presented to the hospital in May after having a cardiac arrest. She was in the minority of patients that managed to survive to make it to the hospital.
You know, when I first got to the hospital, my husband said they were waiting for me. So they knew I was coming, and he said that they just snapped right into action. They got me stable and took me to ICU.
We knew that she was going to need some protection going forward because of what had happened. SICD, or a subcutaneous implantable cardioverter defibrillator, is an electronic device that's placed underneath the skin. And the job of this device is almost purely to watch for very, very fast, life-threatening heart rhythms.
It's right here, and you can't see it with my clothes on, but you know, when you take them off, you see a little budge, but it's not that bad.
She did have a shock from the device, and in fact, she had a very, very fast heart rhythm. It's about 200 beats a minute. If it weren't for the device, it would be surprising for her to have beat those odds twice.
I would like to see the people that helped me that I don't remember, so I can tell them thank you in person. Because you know, you can say thank you all you want on this camera, but I want to touch them and hug them and say thank you.
Pete Smith.
Pete, thank you for saving my wife's life. All the first responders here, I really appreciate you. The medical staff here at Memorial Hospital, the care that you provided for my wife was outstanding. I knew she was in good hands. And man, you guys did a wonderful job. And we want to say thank you.
I don't remember you guys, but thank you. Thanks a lot. You guys got there quick, so I'm told. But if it wasn't for you guys, I probably wouldn't be here right now. And I want to thank you guys. When I say I have a new lease on life, it's like I don't let little things bother me anymore. I don't stress out like I used to. You never know when your time's going to come. And my time almost came. This is my life now. I'm fine.